Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am gonna tell you about how to fix Bluetooth keep disconnecting issue and how you can fix it in your Redmi smartphone. I will tell you step by step, so watch till the end video. So let's start the video friends. So firstly, if you are seeing your Bluetooth is connecting, it might be a connectivity issue from your both side, either from the mobile or your Bluetooth device. So if it is a speaker, earbud, AirPod or any of your Bluetooth device, you have to reset that device also and from your mobile also. So firstly, let's long press the Bluetooth and here are all the available devices. So if it is keep disconnecting problem, so you have to charge your Bluetooth device properly first, and then you have to reset your Bluetooth speaker or anything you have, and then turn on to start pairing. Click on this available devices and it will show the name. Tap on here so it will connect. If it is not connecting, click on settings, click on search, right here reset, and you have to firstly reset your Bluetooth settings. Tap on here and now you can see Bluetooth settings has been reset successfully. You have to long press the power button to restart your device and it might be fixed. If not, you can check if your Bluetooth number is very old version. If you are connecting very old smartphone, it might not be connecting. So first you have to update your software update or your Bluetooth version, so then it will be connected. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.